再见 goodbye 再见 goodbye 再 once again. The original meaning of 在 is the second time, formed by 鱼 fish and two horizontal strokes depicting getting a second fish. Now with the evolution of the character, one of its meaning is once again. 见 to see, to meet. The traditional form of 见 is 见. It had 目, which means eyes on the top, and a deformed 人 at the bottom, which means human. It depicted the act of a person seeing things by the eyes. 再见 goodbye. It means to see you again, therefore goodbye. You should also see 再见 as a reply to it.